Starting around 02 September 2023, HEX generally is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. HEX really has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This fundamentally makes HEX, in every way that really matters, positioning at 206 in the digital currency market, in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023, what will HEX truly be exceptionally worth in 2023? Extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is HEX a very wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Amazingly, will HEX cost all things considered outperform its untouched high? These for the most part are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost certainly is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $0.007, the normal really least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to for the most part be $0.007. Besides, HEX can truly arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.007. Or so they most certainly thought. HEX value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX really is certainly anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.006 and an in every practical sense, least of $0.005, exhibiting how this generally makes HEX fundamentally positioning at 206 in the cryptographic money market, or so they basically thought. HEX value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX really is especially anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.006 and a kind of least of $0.006 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007 in an unobtrusive manner, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0.006, which is genuinely huge. HEX value estimate November 2023. The especially normal cost of HEX could essentially go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023 in an unpretentious manner. HEX could be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $0.007 with the kind of least expected cost of $0.006 in an essentially enormous manner. HEX value figure December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.007, while the very greatest determined cost especially is around $0.007 in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of typical cost for HEX truly is in every practical sense, anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach $0.007 in December 2023. Which truly is genuinely huge. HEX certainly passed value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been explicitly diminished by 4.89% in its genuinely current worth, showing the way that HEX could for the most part be exchanging around and in every practical sense, greatest worth of $0.007, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.006 in a truly significant manner. In the event that we certainly look at the very current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap especially is likewise down, exhibiting how HEX value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX explicitly is in every practical sense anticipated to basically arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.006 and a genuinely least of $0.005, showing how this in a real sense makes HEX positioning at 206 in the cryptographic money market, which generally is very huge. Hex by and large is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in a fundamentally significant manner. The Hex explicitly is down to nearly 39.39% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, which explicitly is very huge. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for especially beyond couple of days. The coin could have sort areas of strength 4 of at the same time. We don't in every practical sense feel that it would a productive resource in lovely present moment, which truly shows that assuming you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Hex cost expectation end of 2023, what will Hex especially be in every way that really matters worth in 2023, or so they truly thought. Inside the in every way that really matters most recent 1 month, the cost of Hex commonly diminished by 92.698%. Dispensing with an astounding extremely normal amount of $0.072 from its ongoing worth in an all things considered significant way. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a kind of great in every way that really matters purchase an open door for especially speedy speculation, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change generally is near 77.60%. And the cost generally coursed from a by and large least for the most part normal cost of $0.024 to sort of greatest certainly normal cost of $0.027 in the very beyond 90 days. So Hex value estimate December 2023. The Hex cost for December 2023 may arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0.007, while the especially most extreme gauge cost especially is around $0.007 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Hex really is somewhere near 69.20%, with the greatest sort of typical cost of the coin basically was around $0.023 and the very least genuinely normal value of was around $0.021 in fundamentally beyond 4 months. Or so they basically thought. Hex value figure 2023 facts. What will especially be Hex especially worth in 2023 in a kind of large manner? The Hex cost certainly is determined to sort of arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.007, with pretty least cost of $0.007 toward the finish of 2023, which fundamentally shows that Hex value gauge December 2023. The Hex cost for December 2023 may especially arrive at a truly least worth of $0.007, while the kind of greatest estimated cost for the most part is around $0.007 in an especially significant manner. Does Hex sort of have a future? As far as cost, Hex generally has a remarkable truly potential to arrive at new levels, or so they especially thought. It by and large is gauged that Hex will increment in esteem, as per explicit